Crxconec continues building upon its reputation of presenting the classic design, top quality, and the best service. We provide versatile end-to-end copper and fiber solution to customers. The copper offering comprise shielded and unshielded LAN cable, patch panel, keystone jack, patch cord, and cabling accessories. Fiber solution included fiber cable, jumpers, fiber patch panel, fiber optic accessories for indoor and outdoor applications. The structural cabling products, server racks, and IT management accessories have already been implanted into the world-class data center and modern commercial buildings for decades.
We commit to tailor professional, passionate, and reliable. With more than 35 years experience, we provide service and technical support focusing on concretizing the concepts to solutions for every brand. Our team has grown ever stronger with the participation of graphic designers this year.
We keep investing in new facilities to improve our production efficiency to make sure our customers are satisfied with our product quality. The Aero Machine Track system brings plant management to a higher level and tracks all aspects of the production. It automatically updates the manufacturing condition with schedule details. The automatic press fit and plug insertion machines are equipped with AOI system, which raises the accuracy of production greatly. Further, the traditional soldering operations are replaced by new press fit technology, which makes the production more stable and environmental friendly.
Crxconec overcomes difficulties with our partners by meeting more and more experts in data center cabling and infrastructure cabling. We also welcome expertise around the world to develop new markets and technologies, and we devote to developing marketing strategy mutually. No matter your projects are home, office, mall, industrial factory, data centers, center halls, airport, and train stations, even a new IoT and smart building, Crxconec always has the best solutions for you. We are the most reliable and trustworthy alliance. We sincerely welcome you on board with us.
Hey everyone, this is Annie. It's my pleasure to introduce Crxconec for you today. Crxconec provides the structural cabling solution. The structural cabling solution can be divided into 6 subsystems according to the EIA-TIA standard. So there are 6 parts for the subsystems. The first one is the entrance facility, and the second one is the equipment room. And the third part is backbone cable. And the fourth part is telecommunication room. And the fifth part is horizontal cable. And the final one is the working area. So there are different structural cabling solutions can be chosen, included Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, until Cat8. So Cat8 is the latest version for structural cabling solution. So you can see the transmission speed, Cat8 can support 40G, and the maximum frequency can support 2000 megahertz, and the channel length can support 30 meters. And compared with Cat6a, Cat6a support the transmission speed for 10G, and the frequency is 500 megahertz, and the channel length can support 100 meters. So Cat8 compared with Cat6a, it is 4 times transmission speed higher. So about Cat8 copper cabling solution, our solution with GHMT verified, and we provide a total solution for Cat8, including the RJ45 connector, and the keystone jack, patch cord, and the horizontal cable. Cat6a copper cabling solution, we also provide a total solution, including UTP, STP solution from the keystone jack, patch cord, patch panel, cable management, and also included the cabinet. So how Crxconec can help you? We do professional brand OEM service. So not only product OEM, we do brand OEM service. So we provide the design service, including the package, catalog, EDM. Also, we do various videos about assembly guides or application. So we also provide a training course. So all customers will receive expert support from Crxconec. Crxconec provide classic design service, top quality, and best service. And we provide a one-stop shopping service for our total solution. The benefit from Crxconec, we provide a design service for catalog, and we also provide a professional product OEM suggestion. So here you can see we provide a professional design for the logo bag, logo box, and also the beautiful labels. So you just need to provide your logo to us, and we will finish the complete design for you. So we also do the customized visual aids service, including EDM, sample board, and the data sheet. We also provide free high-quality photos, can be used on the website or any data sheet. We also provide the customized products and assembly instruction, and also the videos service. So just providing your logo to us, we can do the brand OEM on videos or any assembly guide data for you. So we also provide a series solution training. So if you have inquiry for the online training course, just let us know. We will arrange for you. So about the customer feedback, I would like to share one story for you. We have one brand OEM customers from Philippines. And in the beginning, our first step will do the product OEM suggestion for our customers. And the second step, we will do the brand design for the catalog. And the third part, we will do the brand OEM for the video for our customers. So our customer, because our strong support, so they can promotion their own brand products successfully in the Philippine market. So they are very happy to work with Crxconec. So Crxconec not only provide the brand OEM, we also provide plenty multimedia support for our customers. So Crxconec provides complete production line, sufficient capacity, quick turnaround time. We invite you to join with us and grow up together. Crxconec connect you to the world. Thank you for your listening today.
Hello everyone, this is Jody from Electron in Taiwan. I am sales manager. We are a well-known and professional power solutions supplier in Taiwan over 30 years. Today, we are so glad to have this chance to meet everyone here due to global source recommendations. We are here to lead the world to see our brand YK. Now, let me show you our product. This is our new product, 3500 watts parallel inverter with pure sine wave AC output, single phase, 3-phase, bypass function, power saving, remote control, deep switch, and RS232 function. It is easy for user to install it. PLS series can be used for N+1 redundancy and the ability of enlarging the capacity in order to provide the power expansion. The power factor is equal to 1 and the efficiency is over 90%. After developing our 3500 watts parallel inverter successfully, we are ready to promote our energy storage power system. It is not very difficult for us to develop because we have currently existing technical skill and material to do for data center, on-grid station, telecom station, car charging pile, solar system, and home electricities. It will have Hsueh parallel inverter plus charger plus battery pack plus controller inside this whole cabinet. Inverter, charger, and controller are all our existing technical skill and material. We have already contacted with famous brand battery manufacturer to keep battery back to us. Do you know the concept of energy storage power system? It's like green environment and saving daily cost. For example, you can take advantage of different ways to charge the battery pack, such as solar, wind power, and some natural sources. With no city power, user can enjoy the UPS power to avoid the unpredictable power shortage situation happened. In the market, you can sometimes see the whole battery pack in the whole cabinet, and even need to connect other systems to provide power. It's really wasted spaces, because it might need to use 40 feet container. But ours, it has already included inverter, charger, battery pack, and controller inside the whole cabinet. About our productivity, we have 20 people which exclude temp workers. As the saying goes, small as it is, the sparrow has all the vital organs. Everyone in their position has their own responsibility and challenge to finish their work. One of the most significant factors is that we will have each other when available. Due to this great working environment, our productivity is up to 20,000 pieces and even higher every year. From 2016 to 2020, our annual sales are almost up to $8 million US. About our quality control, there are 6 steps when the raw material arrives our factory. One is to check the looking and measure the voltage in order to make sure this raw material's quality. Second, the QC director needs to sign the checking OK report back to producing department. Third, the producing department will inspect again before entering our warehouse. Fourth, our producing department will depend on customers' order to arrange the raw material and check the remaining stocks quantities. Fifth, our test department will check the whole unit's function and burn-in after receiving the finished good from producing department. The final step is to make double check again for input and output situation before leaving our factory.
Anewpow was founded in 2012 in Taiwan. We are specialized in design, manufacture, and promote a variety of lithium-ion batteries, and develop battery management system (BMS) to build in our own batteries. Our batteries have been used as reserve power supply on cell sites, switch system, and UPS, as power for truck surveillance system and compression system of garbage truck, as energy storage for home and commercial, and cooperated with activity events and energy storage projects. Now, Anewpow launches cutting-edge LiFePO4 battery with 12V, 24V, 36V, and 48V choices, and reach up to 3,000 cycle times. They are equipped with BMS, 16-bit MCU, and RS485 or CAN bus interface. Increased capacity by parallel connecting, and smart balancing charges multiple batteries with different voltages. 15 kg can be installed by individual without tools, and GC2 standard size can be installed in tight space. IP67 and 3800 Wh are suitable for a variety of applications. Longer life, faster charging, no maintenance, all of the benefits of lithium-ion batteries. Anewpow aims to be the leader in the renewable energy sector. Our partners are across many countries, so join us to power the world.
All right, and we are live. Welcome, everyone. Hello, and welcome to Analyst's Choice under the Global Sources Live Sourcing Talk series, wherein we talk about the products that are innovative, hot, trending, and very much relevant in today's market. And the good news is, all these products are available for easy sourcing from verified suppliers here at Global Sources. I am your host, Arvi, and for today's topic, we are going to be talking about the building blocks of today's powerful technology. Now, what does that even mean? Well, today's electronics need a lot of power and cable in order to function. And so we are going to be discussing today's industry leading batteries, power supplies, and cabling solutions. And we're going to be joined by three verified suppliers from Taiwan. They are under the Taiwan Electrical and Electronic Manufacturers Association, and they're called TIMA. And they're going to be featuring their trending and most important products that they can offer, and they're all available for sourcing right after the show. So if you guys have seen their company videos, that was really very much interesting. And now they are going to be talking about their company and products finally in person. All right, without further ado, all right, before we bring in our first guest, we'd like to thank you all for watching this live stream, and feel free to comment down below if you guys have any questions for our suppliers as they're speaking. Feel free, and they would gladly answer all your questions. And also, if you guys just want to say hi, we appreciate that you're watching our live. Say hi. We will try to give you guys a shout out and let us know which part of the world you guys are watching so that we know where our loyal global sources viewers are at. All right, without further ado, let's bring in our first guest, Tracy of Anewpow.
Hello. Hello, Arvi.
Hi, Tracy. Good morning. How are you?
Good.
All right, that's good to know. How is the weather there in Taiwan? How are you guys doing there?
It's cool and raining. It's raining day today.
Oh, it's rainy, so it's quite
Yeah.
cozy right now. All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. It's a bit cold.
That's great. That's great. All right. I see some interesting batteries there at your back.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, it's very very nice. It's a good contrast with the shelf. It's just nice to look at, which I noticed. So, Tracy, feel free to talk about a new POW as we've seen in the video. Feel free to explain in your own words what's a new POW like, what's your manufacturing capabilities and your product offerings.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Tracy from Anewpow. Anewpow was set up in 2012 in Taiwan, and we have a factory in China and an office in Taiwan that mainly conduct research, development, and marketing lithium battery with our own battery management system. And with innovative and experienced R&D team to design cutting-edge technology and solve problems relative to green energy. Our product range is from replacement battery for brand name robot cleaner uh, and vacuum cleaner to lithium battery for telecom, CCTV, energy storage, and relative applications. Our battery are sold to Asia, Australia, Europe, and US by our partners. So hope we have chance to work with you.
All right, thanks Tracy for sharing those nice introduction videos and your introduction as well about a new POW. So that's good to know. You guys have a lot of countries that are your clients, and you also supply to uh, a lot of regions. So that's good to know. So I hope you guys gain more clients right after this show. All right, thanks Tracy. See you in a bit. Let's bring in our next guest, Ivy of Crxconec.
Hello,
Hi
Arvi.
Ivy.
Hi, how are you?
Good morning. I am good. How are you?
Good, good, thanks.
I noticed we're matching today. We have the black and stripes thing. Yeah, matchy matchy. All
Mhm.
right, Ivy. So, tell us more about Crxconec. What can you expound on or want to emphasize from the video we've just seen earlier? What are your company strengths and manufacturing capabilities?
Okay, thanks Arvi for this opportunity to introduce Crxconec to you. And we focus on the solution and the manufacturing of the structural cabling product that can be used in building a data center, commercial building, or even industrial applications like keystone jack, patch panel, and networking cable and accessory. And it will help our customer to build a good network environment. And we provide services that is one step ahead from customer requirement, and we help them to build their brand in the local cabling market. We have a customer in Philippines, Singapore, or even Canada. Our services is global. And first time they came to us and for OEM services of the structural cabling product, and they are pretty happy because we are available to provide one-stop services instead of facing so many suppliers at the same time.
All right, thank you, Ivy, for that introduction. That's good to know that Crxconec provides a one-stop service, so it leaves your customers like it removes the burden because you guys provide all those types of services to them already. So I'm
Yes.
sure our buyers and audience would love that. All right, thanks, Ivy, for that introduction. I'll see you in a bit. So let's bring in our final guest, Jody from Asian Electron.
Hello, Arvi.
Hi, Jody. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? How's it like there?
I'm great.
Okay, we're all in a good mood today. Yay.
Yes.
All right, Jody. So tell us more about Asian Electron in your own words. Your company, manufacturing capabilities, products, strengths, all that.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. This is Jody from Asian Electron. We are a professional and well-known manufacturer of power inverter and battery charger in Taiwan over 30 years. We not only provide DC to AC inverter, UPS inverter, AC to DC power supply, and AC to DC battery charger, mobile AC power, and parallel inverter, but also provide OEM and ODM service. We also have ISO 901 UL, CE, and FCC certificates to prove our excellent quality. As you can see in our video, we mainly push our standalone parallel inverter and energy shortage powers energy storage power system now. There are some countries who sometimes face energy shortage and electricity shortage. The concept of parallel inverter is risk diversification. For example, if you have other equipment you need fault or stop working, at least you have another N plus one power working for you continuously. Yes, like 10 piece, for example, if you bought if you buy 10 piece parallel inverter, you will have one master and 9 slabs. Once one of your slabs stop working, the other 9 equipment will keep working for you to prevent from the power shortage. Yes, so now let's talk about our about our energy storage power system. It has parallel inverter, battery charger, battery, and controller inside. In this market, you can only see our other brands' energy storage cabinet, which is full with DC source inside. People also need to buy inverter to turn AC power for home electricity to use. Yes, this requires connecting a lot of units and spaces. So only our this whole cabinet, this energy storage power system, it can save spaces and help user to solve many material source problems. So that's all. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Arvi.
Thanks, Jody, for that introduction. Yeah, as I was listening to the details, it's good to know that your company tries to provide solutions to some problems that countries have, like power outage. So, yeah, your power supplies really, really are going to be helpful. And it's also reassuring that you guys have good certifications to show your quality products. All right.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks, Jody. I'll see you in a bit. So let's bring in our other guest again, Tracy of Anewpow. She's going to be showcasing and focus her discussion on their products generally. Hi, Tracy. Welcome back.
Hello, Arvi.
Hi, Tracy. So, please do tell us more about the products behind you, the batteries. Let us know what are their strengths, what makes them source worthy.
Okay. Lithium ion phosphate battery are very popular recently. And our 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, and 48 volt batteries are designed for energy storage and as backup power, but cannot be starter batteries. Compared with the AC battery, lithium ion battery is high energy density, lighter weight, faster charging, and longer lifetime. It's stable under extreme conditions, easy, friendly to the environment, and easy to be recycled by using non-hazardous material. And beyond those benefits, we make more. So the innovative design makes it easy to install. Once you drop in battery compartments, utilize the battery cable you are accustomed to connecting in parallel. That means positive to positive, negative to negative. After that, connect canvas cable to canvas in to canvas out. So batteries share information between each other via CAN communication to balance it automatically. And the elegant BMS not only protect battery from most cause of battery failure, but also provide precise balancing within a single battery and between batteries in parallel system. So you don't need to charge battery individually. And the smart software with learning algorithm calculate data as increasingly variability to grow more accurate over time. And our battery offer flexibility to increase capacity by parallel connecting. Along with IP67, they can be used on various occasions. It's not easy to demonstrate battery on live stream,
Yeah.
so you can check our global size page for more detail or contact us after the live stream.
All right, thank you, Tracy. So that's good to know. Your batteries offer a lot of convenience, as you've mentioned. Like it saves the users a lot of hassle of reconnecting all those wires. So that's good to know. It's pretty innovative, and it's also reliable and durable because you mentioned that you've added some algorithm, software algorithm to make it more reliable. Yeah, that's good to know. So thanks, Tracy. So everyone, as Tracy has mentioned, if you want to know more about their batteries, feel free to check them out at global sources. So just type Anewpow in the search bar and then you'll be led to their homepage. Thanks again, Tracy. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Thank you. So now let's bring in Ivy of Crxconec.
Oh,
Hi, Ivy. Hi, welcome
hi.
back.
Thanks.
So, Ivy, tell us more about your products. What do you want to show to our audience today? What cabling products are you think source worthy?
Okay, so I would like to emphasize again, it's our new patch cord that we obtained a patent last year, and that have a color clip embedded on a patch cord. Because in cabling system, it is quite often to use the different color patch cord to identify the different segment or applications, like yellow line to the office and orange line to the finance department, and which means you have to prepare so many color cable when in
Yeah.
different length and different color when you are a patch cable supplier, and this is quite a huge investment to them. And for IT personnel, when they deal with move and change, they have to replace the patch cord by unplugging the patch cord, and it will definitely cause the system downtime for sure. So we came up idea that we put color clip that is rotatable on a patch cord. And for IT personnel, when they deal with move and change, they only have to rotate the color clip on itself, and in few seconds their maintenance will be done. So with no system downtime, it will make their repairment very easy. So for distributor or so for the cable supplier, it can also reduce their stock greatly. So this is a smart solutions for both IT personnel and for distributor or cable suppliers. And I think this is what we are trying to do. We find a unique solution for our customer and bring them out from the market from other competitors.
All right, thanks, Ivy. Yeah, that's good to know. That's very interesting, actually. Your patch cords are quite innovative. Like you thought of a problem and about the time and then the colors and the switching, which you mentioned causes a lot of time and stress. So you guys managed to find an innovative solution through your patch cord solutions, and it definitely saves time, which I think most people would appreciate, especially in companies. Anything that makes the process more convenient and saves time is something worth investing for. So nice,
Yes.
that's very good. So for those who are interested in sourcing patch cords, cabling solutions, feel free to check out Crxconec's homepage at Global Sources. Just type Crxconec and then you are gonna be led to their homepage. Thanks, Ivy.
Thanks.
Thank you. I'll see you in a bit. And then let's bring in our third guest, Jody of Asian Electron.
Hello, Arvis. See
Hi,
you again.
Jody. Yes, welcome back. All right, now it's your turn to showcase your company's product. Just feel free to talk about it and discuss its selling points. Why is it source worthy?
Okay, thanks, Arvi. Now, everyone, I have two units want to share with you now. One is our parallel inverter, and the other one is our mobile AC power. Now, let's take a look. And I move the camera.
Sure. All right. There it is. Yes.
This one parallel. I'm sorry. I adjust
Yep.
the.
We can see. There you go. All
Okay.
right. Yeah, that's a good angle.
Now, yes. Now everyone, this is our 3,500 watt parallel inverter, and for this inverter, it has bypass function. Bypass function means it's the concept of UPS function. This unit is AC to AC source priority, and then DC to AC source. What does it mean? Because you can, as you can see here, it has two AC output, and you can connect the AC output here. When you have city power, these units will working for AC in to AC out power to you for people to use. And when the city power is shortage or have some problem, and this parallel inverter will automatically bypass to DC to AC source out for people to use. And this is the DC connection, and this is the AC output here. And we also have another socket for people to use, but now I just can show you the USA socket here for people to see. And this is RS232 232 function. People can monitor about some figure via this port. Yes, and this is about the jump, the dry contact and the jump. And there is also an dip switch. This dip switch, for example, if some area in some countries they will find 50 hertz and 60 hertz for people to choose to arrange, and you can adjust via here. And
Okay.
the power on and power off is here, but we have 3 steps. For the power on, you can also choose to power on and power off via here. And the last one, if you choose the lower one, this is remote mode. You can throw out the remote control to adjust the power on or power off or some figure. Yeah. And on the other side, it will have, I'm sorry. Sorry. On the other side, it will has 2 fans here and some figure can show here. For example, this is AC output, amp, watts, and DC, and temperature and hertz. Yes, this is our parallel inverter. And I also have another one, mobile AC power. Wait a minute.
All right.
This one. Yes, it has battery inverter and the battery charger inside. When you have it, also the same concept about the parallel inverter just now. It also, when you have C power, it can AC source inside. It not only can AC source inside and AC out for people to use, but also can charge the battery inside. Yes. So when you connect city power, just open the charger on for charger on, and it can provide you AC source to charge the battery charger, but also can let you to AC input and AC output for people to use. Now, if we open the inverter function, yes.
Asian. Oh, is that your company name? Asian
Yes.
Electron. Nice.
You can see some figure from this one. Now it's 110 VAC up now. The 110 VAC, the range is about 100 to 120 VAC. So the range is adjustable. Yes. And now about some other figure, because you have no power for people to use, so this is 0 now. And the battery charger is 12 VDC, and the temperature inside is 25 Celsius degree, and about hertz in Taiwan is 60 hertz. Yes. Now, let me show you this function more. You can also connect here, but also you can connect here if you connect with your adapter.
Yes, okay, both. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Two-way.
Yes. You can also choose, I'm sorry. You can choose to connect here. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, about this mobile AC power, it can, if it's full of charge, people can use at least 3 to 4 hours to prevent from the once, because this is also the same AC to AC priority. When your AC source is shortage, or yes, when the AC source is not available, it will automatically bypass to DC to AC functions, right? And the battery can let you to use at least 3 to 4 hours for you to use. Yes, under the full load situation. Yes, and when you do not need to use it, you just turn off the power. And one more thing I want to introduce now is this has several charge method. One is through AC power. The other one you can also through the hand generator. It's a little bit.
Wow.
It's a little bit tired
through here,
Mechanical.
we can
Yeah.
also choose solar power, wind power, yeah, and thermal power. But yes, okay, through this one, and this one is jump. What does this one to be the function? This one is for when your AC power output AC source is power shortage or have some function or fault. This one will jump out to protect the inverter charger and battery inside. So it's very safe for people to use.
All right, thank you, Jody, for that wonderful presentation. Yeah, very comprehensive. We now have a clear idea of how your two inverters work, especially the second one. A lot of options. You could charge in various ways, and also you could you support like wind and then mechanical power and solar power.
Yeah. Yes,
It's
for most of industrial to
power,
use.
yeah.
Yes,
That's
for
good. Very flexible and convenient. Thank you, Jody. Thanks for sharing all those details. And feel free to source, guys, from Asian Electron right after this show. All right, so for our final question, let's bring in our two other guests. Let's answer all these questions together. Let's bring in Tracy and Ivy. All right. Welcome back, Tracy and Ivy. So now we have reached our final question for the day. What are the benefits of buyers when they source from your company? Like, just give them like 1 to 2 benefits so that they will remember your company with this strength. So let's start with Tracy of Anewpow.
Okay. Our team members have been in relative fields for decades, and we've worked with our partner around the world to promote our brand Anewpow for years. And we offer technical support, marketing strategy support, marketing material, and updates product to make our team better and stronger. So when you source from us, you will have a talented team of experts from technical, marketing, sales, after sales service behind you. Based on our experience, we can say our know-how is unrivaled.
All right. Thank you, Tracy, for sharing those advantages of a new PAL. Let's move on to Ivy. So tell us more about the advantages of sourcing from Crxconec.
Okay, so based on our experience, we always help customer to build a unique product collection from mold design, manufacturing, and bring the product onto the market. And we understand that building a brand is never an easy job. And with the marketing strategy change, being a brand means you need to interact more with your customer. So we help them to prepare the resources that can help them to have interaction with their customer, like the flyer or the user guide or even the assembly video that can teach their customer to understand the product better, and they also can have more interaction with their customer. So compared with other suppliers, we really provide a services that is one step ahead, and we are your best partner to win the market. And if you would like to start your own brand, just contact us today.
All right. Thank you, Ivy, for those advantages. And lastly, Jody of Asian Electron. Feel free to answer the question.
Um, and
Yeah, so
if
what
you
are the
know,
advantages of
yes,
Asian Electron company? Like, I'm a buyer. Why should I source from your company?
and our company usually will accept of OEM or ODM requests from customers. I just want to say if you have any power solutions or yes, if you need any power solutions, you can contact us. Yes.
All right, thanks, Jody. So for all everything power solutions, we shall contact Asian Electron. And thank you. Before we let our guests go, we'd like to remind you all so to please remember their names: Crxconec, Anewpow, Asian Electron. They're all ready to work with you from Global Sources. So if also you would like to rewatch the company videos, if ever you missed it, after the live, you can just restart the video and watch their company videos, and you'll get more detailed information about their products and their company. Thank you again, Jody, Tracy, and Ivy. Have a great day.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Take care. All right, so that's all what we have for today. And we'd like to remind you to please subscribe to Global Sources' YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook channels so you would be notified when we go live next. And we'll see you on the next episode. Bye, everyone.